Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Target credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. After you open up your web browser, in the address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in Target.com and press enter on the keyboard. You'll end up in this Manage My Red Card page. The Target credit card, also known as the Red Card, is a credit card that can be used in Target's retail stores and the store's websites. Simply go ahead and type in your information into the text boxes appearing at the bottom. Type in your username in the first text box. And if you'd like the system to save your username so that next time you won't have to type it again and again, which will be easier for you to log into your account. You can check the Safe You Shouldn't inbox, but if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device for your security, simply leave the box unchecked before proceeding further. After you're done typing in your you should mean, go ahead and type in your password in the next field. You can double check your password by clicking on the Show Password box over here, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on Forgot Your Username or Password link and follow the instructions to look for them. Finally, after you're done typing in all of your credentials, and you're ready to log into your credit card account, click on the Sign In button and you'll be able to log into your Target credit card or Target Red Card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box. If you have a question or feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.